Hello guys, this is Ben from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an iPhone 14 with a very curious case of hazy camera glass. It's contaminated from the inside, so let's do something about it. So first thing we're gonna do is try to figure out how we can go inside this iPhone 14. And the first thing we're gonna do is, of course, remove the two screws on both sides of the lightning port. You can see there the effect on the actual camera. Save your photos, it's gonna be hazy like that. So it's a bit of a disaster, if I say so myself. Maybe some liquid damage has been done on the smartphone. Let's check it by opening it up first. So remove two pentalobe screws. This is the first thing that we remove. This reminds me of the old iPhone 5, this very boxy design. And since we are not replacing the display, this display is fully working, so extra care has to be observed when removing the display. When you try to replace the display, that's okay, but if you're not really concerned about the display, you have to be very careful. And the display has tempered glass on top of it, so if you see some cracks or scratches, it's on the tempered glass, not on the actual screen itself. So we lift up the display as we pry it off the housing. So you have clips and adhesive on the display. So we put some IPA for the adhesive and we lift it up so we can disengage the clips. We don't really need to go deeper with the prying tool, so because we can risk damaging other components inside. So there we go, we're almost there. Just a few more. There we go. That's the internal components. Remove a couple of screws. Remove some brackets holding on to the display. And the display looks, and it shows us some water damage on the corner right there. So maybe some debris has also went through the cracks and on that corner and contaminated the camera system, and that's for sure. David is putting back the display and maybe he's trying to see if it's still working. It does. iPhone 14 display, replacing the display is quite expensive, so it's better to make sure that this one still works. Okay, we have to continue with our investigation right now. And we can also remove the back cover as well. The back cover on the iPhone 14 is made up of glass, so this is another nerve-wracking aspect of the repair. Clips here and lift it up slowly there. Now we can see the cameras. It's all dusty from the inside. No need for us to replace the camera glass, and you can see there, we just blow the dust off. There you go. And David, being David, is not really content with just blowing off the dust. We have to clean it with our Q-tip. Some dust is also built up underneath the back cover. So maybe someone opened this device before and forgot to put some seal and sufficient liquid adhesive. I'm not really sure. But a considerable amount of liquid and dust has entered the smartphone. Also gonna clean up the board on the other side. You can see the corner there, it's quite corroded. Good thing the owner has decided to have this checked right away. We have replaced screws on that corner as well, and we will reinstall the screen just to test if the cleanup has been successful. Put back all the brackets and the screws that are holding onto the connectors and the brackets and yep. And we can now close this front display. There you go. It's quite fancy, to be honest, the iPhone construction of this iPhone 14, but nothing too special. We have the battery and the cameras. We've seen that before, and I think we can now agree that this camera glass is cleaner compared to what we've seen at the start of the video. And look at that, no haziness. Hopefully nothing happens to this device and contaminate the camera again. So there you go. We'll close this up and I guess give it a bit of a wipe. Put back to the 2 pentalobe screws. There you go. And David can't stand the tempered glass. It's already cracked, so might as well replace it. So if you're in need of assistance on your iPhone 14, need a new battery, need a new display, whatever you need, just message David. Maybe we have parts for the specific problem that you have, and we'll throw in a free tempered glass if we have one in stock. And that's it. This iPhone 14 main camera is now fixed and cleaned, and hopefully we will see you again next time. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will upload more videos like this one in the future. So see you again next time. Thanks for joining, guys. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time.